And Prime Minister Modi also met with members of the Indian community at Kolhapur Memorial. Many Maharashtrian families were also present. Vishal Barrister caught up with some of them. Take a listen.
I'm here at Monte Cassino in Warsaw, and this is also called the Kolhapur Memorial. Prime Minister met some of the Indians here, and they are dressed in Maharashtrian style. So first talk to the Marathi people here, because this is Kolhapur Memorial. What did the PM say to you?
Jai Shivaji, Jai Marathi. We are proud here to be here and being a Maharashtrian dress, because this is a Kolhapur Memorial openings. So we are excited, and this is our lifetime moment for us.
Did you get to meet the Prime Minister?
Yes, and they just asked about my daughter. What is her name and where is she from?
So what did you say?
I said her name is Tara and she is from Nasik.
So she got the blessings of the Prime Minister. And how is the feeling after meeting the Prime Minister?
It is very proud moment for us. We can't express also in the word. First time.
We have a young lady. What's her name?
Marlene.
Molly. So how did you like the Prime Minister? Did you say hello to him?
Yes,
How did you like him?
I liked him.
You like him. And what do you have to say?
I can say that it's a proud moment. It's like a festival today. We all have taken off from our work and we are here to welcome him. We are in news. That's the amazing thing, I think. And it's a proud moment for all of us, I think, all Indians being together. You see people dressed so nicely. And it's like a celebration or a festival today for us. So, really.
Now, what do you like in the Prime Minister? What is the quality that you like in him?
Well, I think that there's an aura around him. So when he was here, there was like, oh, this man, this is the center of the aura, and there is a charm around him, which is very good, and he holds that stature for getting the respect out of people. So I think he's quite. He stands up to the position that he holds on the leadership profile.
So there you hear, and they are also full of smile, full of excitement, having met the Prime Minister. This is Vishal Barrister from Monte Cassino Memorial in Warsaw with cameraman Sanjeev Sharma, DD News.